Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm glad to have you. If you want to know how to become a K Diamond, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the K Diamonds family. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright y'all, so this video is basically talking about how to make your perfume last all day. I've been one of those girlies, been struggling like, girl, why my perfume not lasting? Why my perfume not lasting? So I'm going to give y'all some tips and tricks that has definitely been working for me. But when I give y'all these tips now, you definitely need to try it out for yourself and see if it works for you. Again, everybody body chemistry is definitely different, so you just have to try different things and see what's going to work for you. So I do have some products here that I'm going to show you all, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, okay? So first and foremost, what I want to let you all know is that when you are in the shower, okay, when you're in the shower, you have to make sure you're using an antibacterial soap, because you don't want to try to put on some smell good products onto your skin and your skin is still dirty, okay? So any type of antibacterial soap that you all are looking to use can be Dial soap, or it can be any other antibacterial soap. You can even use like the Dr. Bronner's castor oil soap, okay? So what I usually use is a Dial soap, antibacterial soap, and I use the orange one. So when you are cleaning your body, you want to make sure you get that gunk off of your body, okay? And then you go in with a body wash, any type of body wash that you would like to go in with. Now I have a lot of different body washes, but sometimes you may want to go in with a body wash compared to your perfume. You want to compare that body wash to your perfume so both of them can stick. So both of them can stick. So say for instance you have a body wash that's like a rose body wash. You want to find some type of perfume or body mist that has a rose note to it, okay? So we got that out the way, what you're going to wash your body with, and the body wash, okay? Now basically, now ladies, this is the trick, all right? When you get out the shower, do not dry your body all off. Don't dry your body off to the point where it's dry. Always leave like a little moist to your body, because this is what you're going to do when you get out the shower. You are going to get out the shower with your body moist a little bit, okay? With your body moist a little. You can dry a little bit, but make sure your body is still moist. When your body is still moist, you want to go in with some type of body oil, okay? So I have two different body oils here that I usually use. Now I use a lot of different body oils, but I'm just going to show you all two today. Now this one right here is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. This one right here will have your skin so soft and smooth. So I like getting out the shower and then applying this on, and or I will apply this is one of my favorites too, the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Oil Mist. Now this has a spray, so you could just spray it and then you just rub it in. So like I said, you want to get out the shower with your body just moist, and then you put on a body oil, okay? Now after you put that body oil on, hunty, and let me tell y'all, oh, here's another secret. If you have a body oil that is like the same as your body wash, you want to use that type of body oil. Like I have a body oil that I have that came with a body wash. It's called honey wash or something like that. I got from Victoria's Secret girl. So I would use that body wash, and then I'll use the honey oil that came with it, okay? So if you have like a body wash and a body oil that came together, then to go ahead and use that. But anyway, so you're out the shower and your body is moist, okay? The only thing you want to make sure is dry is Peaches down there. Make sure she dry. Now don't have her moist, but you need to make sure Peaches is dry, and make sure your boom tank is dry. You don't want that moist. You just want your your body moist, okay? So you went in with the body oil. So the next thing that I like doing to lock in all of my scents, I like to go in with a body butter on top of my body oil or my Vaseline. I forgot to tell y'all, either you can use the body oil or you can use the Vaseline. Now this right here is a Vaseline stick. This is also something that you can use when you get out the shower while your body is moist, okay? So this is the Vaseline body stick, and I like how it's a body stick because it's just like a literally stick, and you just just wipe it all over your body and whatever, and then you rub it on. Okay, so after all of that, either the Vaseline or the body oil, then I like to go in with a body butter. Girl, when I tell y'all I'm obsessed with body butters, girl, because when I tell you the body butters will leave your skin just feeling so good, you know, and you want to make sure you are waxed to the guys, honey. You want to make sure you are waxed all around, okay? So this is one of my body butter whipped cream. So this one is creamy whipped butter by the brand Baby Magic. If y'all like Baby Magic, the pink baby lotion, then you are definitely going to like this whipped body butter. When I tell y'all this stuff smells so good. It smells so good. So I did bring 2 body butters on here to show you all that I usually use. So this one is the Baby Magic whipped butter, and I also have the famous Fenty Skin body butter. Girl, I don't know what Rihanna did when she made this product, but when I gotta put some on. Ooh, I gotta put some on, y'all. I gotta put some on. I just gotta put some on. I don't know what Rihanna did when she made this product, but when I tell y'all, this stuff is like butter. This stuff is like butter. And what I like about Rihanna's product is that when I tell you, it literally moisturizes your body. It moisturizes your body so good. Like, oh, look at the shine. Y'all see that shine? This is what Fenty body butter does, honey. It gets you nice and shiny, but the scent of her body butter, oh, look at this. Y'all see how shiny my elbows are? Do y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? So that's Rihanna Fenty's body butter. But anyway, so that is one of my favorite body butters, is the Rihanna Fenty Skin, and then this Baby Magic, okay? So after you put the body oils on or the Vaseline, you go in on top of that with a body butter, okay? Go in with the body butter. If you have a perfume that's the same as the body butter you're using, use that. But these are the 2 body butters that I'm showing you all today. And I demonstrated how Fenty, honey, how she did my arms, okay? And her scent smells so good. So now that we got that out the way, now we are going to go pick our favorite perfume to put on us, okay? So I did bring a couple perfumes. This one right here is one of my most expensive perfumes in my collection. This is the Bun 9 Chelsea Flowers. This is more so like on the floral side. This smells good. It smells exactly like flowers. I don't know what type of flowers, girl, but she smells like flowers. So you want to go in with a perfume, a real perfume. You don't want to go in like with a toilet spray or whatever, but you want to go in with a perfume. This other perfume that I have is the Coach perfume. She smells really, really good too. So now let me tell y'all something. This is where you want to put your perfumes, okay? Sometimes I like to overdo it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how strong the perfume is. But let me show y'all your pores points. So you want to spray right here, right here, right here, right here. And you want to spray in the back of your neck. And sometimes I spray behind my knees or my ankles. Because when you're walking, when you have perfume on your back, think about it. When you have perfume on the back of your neck or on the back of your knees or your ankles, you're walking, so the people is going to smell you from the back, okay? So that's what I like to do. Now, those points, I make sure that I have a good amount of Vaseline or a good amount of oil on it, so the perfume can last into your skin and get into the skin to, you know, to have that aroma, all right? So the last perfume that I'm going to show y'all that I like using too is the Nicki Minaj, okay? This Nicki Minaj, she smells really good too, but just want to come on and show y'all some of the perfumes that's in my collection, okay? So the trick, like I said, the trick to it, after you done took your shower, after you done, you know, oil your body down with whatever, with the oils, and then you put your body butter on. After that, you go ahead and get your perfume. You spray here, 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 here. Sometimes you can spray behind your ears, but you definitely want to spray behind your neck. Spray your body too, and behind your knees, okay, and your ankles, behind your knees and your ankles. Now, you don't have to do both arms. You can at least do one arm here, one arm there, one, you know. But I like to overdo it, honey. I'll do both. I just do both, girl, because when I tell you, ever since I did this little trick and this routine, baby, when I tell you, when I go to work, okay, I do have a 9 to 5. When I go to work, baby, I have the whole hallway smelling so good, smelling like me. People tell me I smell good all the time at work. And when I tell you, when people tell you you smell good, that is the best compliment you can ever receive as a woman, okay? Because it enhances your confidence. It like gives you a boost, like you want to walk past somebody because you know you that girl, honey. You know you smell good, so you want to be that confident woman. Y'all know as women, we go through a lot of things. We go through a lot of hormone changes. We go through a lot of stuff with our vagina and stuff like that. So you know you want to be the one that smells good. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I've never been the type that always, you know, knew how to take care of herself all the time and things of that sort. So let me tell y'all, I've learned from experience, and as I became older, I'm realizing my body, I'm realizing the changes that she, you know, that she does, and realizing the food that I intake. So also, let me tell y'all something, even with these products, you have to make sure that you are taking care of yourself internally, okay? You need to make sure that you're also having bowel movements every day. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Make sure you are having bowel movements every day, because the food that you are eating, that you're digesting, is inside, okay? And you want to release that out, because sometimes it can come out of your pores. It can come out of your pores. It can come off of your tongue, okay, through your breath. So you want to make sure you are, you know, having those bowel movements to release those toxins out. And then, you know, you can be confident and have these products and stuff that will help you smell good all day. I'm telling you, girl. You want to be the confident girl, honey. You want to be the confident girl. So I hope these tips has helped somebody. If it helps somebody, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, because you don't want to miss any more videos or gems that I am going to drop on you all. So click that subscribe button, join the K Diamonds family, like this video, and also comment down below maybe your favorite perfumes, or comment you know, how I have helped you, or if this video has helped you in any way, okay? I love y'all. Bye.